Hello and welcome to all students. This is FY BCom semester 2nd class Mathematical and Statistical Techniques 2nd unit number 4 Annuity and EMI. In this lecture we study about present value of an annuity. We know that the present value of an annuity is the sum of the present values of its periodic payments. It is the capital to be invested now, which gives the same yield at the end of the same period and same rate of interest. In fact, it is one time payoff or one time settlement of the annuity. Let us understand this one time payoff in details. Suppose I need a sum A after a certain number of years. I have two options. The first option is I start with an annuity of periodic payment of rupees R to achieve my goal at the time of required. Or I have second option, if I can offer, I may shell out a lump sum capital P just once now and get the same amount A at the end. So this is called one time payoff or equivalently a one time settlement. So let us now consider what are the pros and cons of these two methods of payoff. So pros and cons of these two methods of payment. The advantage of periodic payment over a lump sum one time payment is the following. So what is the advantage? The advantage is the periodic payments are in small installments and can be easily paid and will not be burdensome at all. In addition, the capital saved by avoiding the one-time payoff can be utilized for some other venture. Okay, that is one important advantage. And the second is, on the other hand, the advantage of one-time payoff, paying a lump sum amount at one go, is if this lump sum amount is not required for any other venture and it is anyway lying idle, then better pay off and relax. Also, the sum of all the periodic installments of the annuity is always more than this one-time payoff. Hence, by opting for a one-time payoff, one can save on this difference. However, it is nervous to mention here that taking into account the interests on all these type of payments, all the options are on per. It is only the convenience that matters to a person while deciding the option more suitable to him. Now let us see some uses of present value. Uses of present value. So now let us explain what are the uses of present value. So first use I want to explain is an explained earlier. As explained earlier, the concept of present value of an annuity plays an important role in deciding the convenient option for an individual. Okay, deciding the convenient option for an individual. Deciding the convenient option for an individual. This is the first use. Now second use is in case one want to sell the annuity, its present value is essential to know its sale price. We will now discuss the formula for present values. Okay. Formula for the present value of an ordinary annuity. Formula for present value of an ordinary annuity Okay, so this formula is obtained by finding the present value of each of its periodic payments and then summing it up. It is given by, so let us write the formula. This formula is given by present value P is equal to R inside the bracket P is equal to R inside the bracket 1 minus 1 plus R divided by K into bracket 100 and this bracket raised to the power minus K into N and whole divided by R upon K into bracket 100. So here, so in this formula, the parameters we see, so first parameter is R, and R denote periodic payment. Periodic payment. Small r denotes rate of interest per annum. Rate of interest per annum. Rate of interest per annum, and n denote duration of annuity in years. Duration of annuity in years. And what is k? K is equal to 1, 2, 4 or 12 dot dot dot, depending on the period of annuity, which can be yearly, half yearly, quarterly or monthly respectively. On simplification, the formula can be expressed in the following form. So after simplification, our formula can be expressed in the following form that I will write here now. However, in order to avoid confusion, it is advisable to remember only one expression for the formula throughout this chapter. We shall write here. To avoid the confusion, we write the formula or simple formula for present value of annuity. P is equal to R inside the bracket R inside the bracket. This is our rectangular bracket, and so in the numerator I will write 1 minus inside the bracket 1 plus R divided by k times 100 whole bracket raised to the power minus kn, and again divided by R upon k inside the bracket 100. Okay, k may takes values either 1, 2, 4 or 12. Okay, a small note before we solve the examples, the how to evaluate this expression, that we will explain here. Okay, that is very simple. The method of calculating method of calculating this expression 1 plus r divided by 100 raised to the power minus n. Okay, but this expression is nothing but here we know that this expression 1 plus r divided by 100 and bracket raised to the power minus n is same as 1 upon 1 plus r raised to the power divided by 100 raised to n, means it is the reciprocal of, so this expression is nothing but the reciprocal of this term. Okay, so we first try to find the value of this term and then take a reciprocal. Okay, the integer reciprocal. That is very simple method to calculate this expression in the formula. Okay, so let us try to solve some examples. Let us try to solve some examples. Question number 1. So right here, question number 1. Show that the present value of an annuity, show that the present value of an annuity of rupees 2000 paid at the end of each year, paid at the end of each year for 4 years at 11% compounded annually, compounded annually is rupees 6204.891. Okay, so let us try to write the answer of this question. Okay, so write down answer. So first of all, here we note all these things what is given to you. We have given monthly installment means R, it is 200 rupees, and rate of interest is given 11% and it is compounded annually, and our investment is for 4 years. Okay, is of 4 years. Since the annuity is 1 yearly basis, we will use the given formula with k equal to 1. So our formula, I will write here, a formula for present value is, therefore formula for present value p is equal to, and this formula I will write for k is equal to 1. Okay, so p is equal to r inside the bracket 1 minus 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to the power minus n, and total divided by r upon 100 and bracket close. Okay, so in this formula we put the values of all these parameters. So value of r is 2000 inside the bracket 1 minus 1 plus rate of interest is 11 divided by 100 raised to the power minus 4 because n is 4, and 11 divided by 100 and bracket complete. Okay, and try to simplify this expression on the right hand side of this equal to sign. So 2000 as it is, okay, into so this term we take outside and we write this term like this, 100 upon 11, and inside the bracket there will be 1 minus the value of this expression. How to calculate, we know that, and that value is 1.11 raised to the power minus 4. Okay, and once we calculate this value, we can easily calculate value of this throughout expression. Okay, and the value of this throughout expression is, so p is equal to 6204.8926. Okay, so this is the value of present value of the annuity in the given example. Okay, so just try to solve this term. You will get this answer very easily. Okay, now this is the end of this lecture, and we will solve more problems based on this present value of annuity in the next lecture. Okay, thank you very much. We stop here.